Querying a series. In this video, let's learn about querying a series. First, let's create a series. This is our series. Elements in series are explained in the previous video that can be accessed using the indices. They can also be accessed using some of the methods that series offers. One is the .iloc method. This returns the element that's at the 0th index. Similarly, this returns the element that's present in the 5th index. The same thing can be done using the .iat method. Series can also be sliced in the same way that lists can be sliced, but we need to specify the indices. Negative indices can also be used. There is another method that's really useful in various operations in further lessons. It is the .where method. We need to specify a condition for which it checks if the value in this series is true or not. Let's check if a number is even. If this is true, it returns the value itself. If it is false, it returns a null value. There is also an option where we can specify the value to be returned if the condition is false. We can see that wherever the number is not even, it returned odd number. This need not be a string itself. This can also be a function on which the series is passed. Let's say for every odd number, we calculate the square of it. If this condition is false, we calculate the square of it. We can see that every odd number has its square calculated. There are methods in which we can deal with null values. Let's include null values in the series. This returns null values, and we can modify the original series by using in place is equal to true. The .drop name would drop all the null values in the series. Similarly, we can fill the null values using a specified value, using the .fillNA method, and we need to specify the value in which it needs to be filled. Every null value that was present in this series was filled with the string filled value. We'll look at filling values in pandas data frames at a further stage in this course.